We have changed the meaning of homework. That is only about writing homework. If it is writing homework, then it should be changed. It must be changed.
We should not make them just write. We
Right.
should give them some practical homework,
Exactly.
right? So that they can explore their critical thinking.
Right.
So first of all, welcome a lot on this beautiful stage from bottom of my heart, right? I'm
Thank you.
so
Thank you so much.
honored to have you here. So
Me
yes,
too.
are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited.
Oh well. So do you know what is the topic?
Yes.
Okay, the topic is
Should homework be banned or not?
should homework be banned or not?
Yeah.
So, okay. So are you nervous and are you excited?
I'm excited.
Ah, that's amazing, right? Teacher. So you are saying it should be banned or not?
It should be banned.
It should be banned. Okay, why? Just support your answer.
Okay. So first of all, there are two kinds of homework. Okay,
Hmm.
first like it is about writing. Second one is about
Well,
practical.
first be grateful, right?
Okay.
You need to show your gratitude.
Uh-huh.
Ah,
So first
exactly.
of all, thank you so much for
Hmm.
inviting me
Hmm.
and for giving me the chance to speak on this important topic.
Hmm.
So this is very important topic, and I would like to share my thoughts on this topic. So yes, according to me, homework should be banned because in India nowadays, what is happening that education, like what is about, like you already know about education, what is
Hmm.
going on. In the same way, homework, like they have just changed the way of homework. They have changed the meaning of homework. Homework is not only about all about writing.
Hmm.
Okay, like they are not teaching, teachers are not teaching anything in rural areas according to my like experience, because I was studied in government school. So they are teachers, they are just sitting and they are giving homework to show people that they are teaching. So there should be practical learnings. They should give practical learnings. They should prioritize practical things instead of giving writing homework. They are not teaching anything. They are just giving points to students and asking them to write that. And students are just, what they are doing, they are copying, doing copy paste. Okay, they are copying paste to from another students, and teachers are not even evaluating in proper way. They are just checking, like 50 pages are written. They are just giving very good or good. They are not reading a single word. So according to this, like homework should be banned if this is the meaning of homework in India. If this is the, because this is not real homework. Real homework means, you are giving something and you are thinking about the outcome. What will be the outcome of that homework? What will students get from that homework? Will it be beneficial for them or not? You are just giving homework to show their parents that we are teaching. But what about their learnings? They are, they are just, if they are using their minds, they are thinking about that topic something, then it is good, it is gonna work. But they are not doing that. What they are doing, instead of thinking, they are just asking to their friends from for notebook, and they are writing same thing whatever their friends have written. So it is not gonna help. It is not gonna boost their memory power or their thinking skill. So education, like
It should be.
it should be banned. Second thing is that because of this, nowadays what is happening, that like like junior level students or primary level students, they are very busy in writing, only writing. They are not able to like get time to think about that, to think about their life, to think about their decisions, what to do. They had to take help from others. Like, I have done my fifth class, now I want to take admission in sixth class. Which subject is better for me? Which school is better for me? They are asking to others because they don't know anything about that, because they are all the time they are busy in writing, only writing. So I think till fifth class it should definitely, it must be banned till fifth class. After fifth class, from sixth to eighth class, there should be homework, but it should be only practically based homework. There should be practical based homework to make them mature, to increase their thinking power, to boost their memory. That there should be practical level, like you had to communicate with someone, or even it would be also be better if they do not give any kind of homework. Whatever they are teaching, they can utilize that time in proper way. Okay, that time is school time, it is, I think, for I think 6 hour or for I think 7 8 hour is school nowadays in for primary or junior level. So they can definitely utilize in proper way. 8 hour is not, it is sufficient time to get good learning. So every day they can teach something new. instead of already like just giving homework or just teaching syllabus. Apart from that, if they really want to see their students on a good position or as a critical thinker or decision maker, so we had to change the pattern of homework. Homework is not only about writing homework, it should be practically based homework, then it is gonna work.
Well, so well, Shiva, you are saying that we should change the type of homework.
Exactly.
Okay, well, we should not make them just write. We
Right.
should give them some practical homework,
Exactly.
right? So that they can explore their critical thinking.
Right.
So you are saying we should change the type of homework, right?
Exactly.
We should not ban the homework.
Yeah, but until
That's
fifth
what
class,
I'm saying.
yeah, until fifth class, there should be no homework.
Hmm.
Until fifth class, there should be no homework. You know, there are not that much in villages. Actually, it will take time to change the whole pattern. Honestly, today on what stage we are, we should not give any kind of homework to the students who is studying in like LKG to or UKG to fifth class, because they are not. You know, they just need to spend time to. They just need to enjoy their childhood life. That is what they are not going to get again. Suppose I have just I lost my childhood. Okay, now I'm not gonna get again that.
Hmm.
Like they can study again, but their childhood will never come again. So they should just we should give prioritize. We should prioritize their happiness. If they, like what they like, if they are playing something, maybe they can do something better, or they can be happy. They can be enough mature. They should not take so much interest if stress. If we'll be giving so much homework to them, they will be just busy in writing. They will be feeling loneliness, and what will happen after that? They'll just think about suicide. They'll think they'll be in depression, because you know what, like teachers are giving so much homework every day. They are asking to there are 5 6 subjects. Okay, every teacher is giving 3 4 pages they have to write. Is it not possible? It is not possible. They have to we have to prioritize that they should spend time with their parents, with their friends. This is the age to enjoy life. There is whole age is left, whole life is left to study, but till fifth class there should we should give them freedom.
Well, so again, you said same thing, right? That we should change the type of homework. We should give them practical homework. Like we should make them make a sketch of their village. Just like how how is the way of your house? You need to make whole village just a sketch, and you need to make like a painting of your father. Sketch, make a sketch of your like dadi, dada, grandfather, grandmother, right?
Exactly.
This kind of homework we should give.
Yes, we should.
It means we should not bend the homework, we should change the homework, right?
That's what I was trying to
Yeah,
say.
exactly.
In India now,
Thanks for
I was trying to say that in India, what is the problem? That we have changed the meaning of homework. That is only about writing homework. If it is writing homework, then it should be changed. It must be changed.
well, so you are saying that we should just
Make
change
it
the type
practical.
of homework, right? Make
Exactly.
so same thing I'm saying now. I am favor of giving homework. Yes, of course we will change, but the thing is that you were saying homework should be bent
Until
right,
five,
right?
until fifth class, there should be no. There should
Well,
not be homework.
why not?
After-
Why not, man? Actually, we can give them like some practical tasks according to their level.
I think.
Yes,
I think.
according to their level.
I
why
think
not?
we should give them time to take decision, to think about their interest. Maybe they are interested in playing something. So, the fifth class students should have time to just to think about their interest. They are interested in playing volleyball, badminton, or they are, want to become an IS officer, whatever. They like reading books. We have to just evaluate them till fifth class.
Oh well.
After that, we
I
can.
understood. You are saying like by fifth, actually, we have to go according to their interest.
Exactly.
But why not? Actually, we are giving homework according to their interest. If someone, okay, if someone is interested in swimming, okay, like give them like a homework related to swimming. Yes, why not?
Yeah, it is-
like swimming pool. Just like make the sketch of swimming pool. Just you need to take bath in a like a big utensil in front of your father. Give them homework according to their interest.
I agree with you,
Yes.
but just think that if teachers are not able to teach in class, then will they be able to think about each and every student?
That's a different part. That's a
They'll
different
not
part.
be able.
Teachers are not able.
Practically, that is not possible in
Well,
India nowadays.
well,
in
Shiva,
government
actually,
schools.
here we are jumping the topic. Teachers are able or not. That's a different part. Here we are thinking that we should ban homework or not, right? So you clearly mentioned here that we should not ban the homework. We should change the type
According
of
to
homework.
current situation, it should be banned. According to current situation today, whatever is, once we change the meaning of homework, once we change the pattern of homework, then I will definitely be in favor of homework
Well,
today. On which stage? Today it should be banned.
Okay, suppose we have changed the type of homework. We are giving practical homework according to their interest. There is no pressure.
Then I'll be in
According to
favor
their
of
hobby.
homework.
You are saying then it should not be banned.
Then it should. But
Yeah,
today,
thanks,
today what
thanks
is
for
there?
answering
Huh.
that.
Today on which state we are? Whatever until now I'm talking to you. Till now, by now, what is going on in India? According to that, according to my experience of 20 years, it should be banned.
Well, Shiva, actually, you agreed with me that it should be banned, right?
But first, we need to change the pattern.
Okay, suppose that we have changed.
I don't think that it is gonna change. If it will be changed, I will be definitely in favor of
I'm
homework.
saying, no, of course, we need to change. I'm also saying same thing. We need to change the type of homework, but we should not ban the homework, right?
It will
I-
take so much time. Till now, we can ban the homework.
Well,
Till the time we can ban the homeworks, it will take time. It is not gonna
Suppose
practically.
we have changed, nah. We have
But
changed
it's-
our education system and we have done that.
But it's not possible today because I think
But why not?
it will
It is
take
not
time.
possible.
It will take time to.
Okay, I can give anyone like practical homework because we give here like I also give homework, but it is according to their interest. I ask always students that like what are your hobbies? If he's saying ki I like Three Idiot Karan Arjun, we will take examples from that movie and I give them same task. and
I
he
appreciate
loves to do
I
that.
appreciate that, but majorly what is happening in India in rural areas, teachers are busy in their own life. They are not able to even think about one students, and there are more than 50 students in one class. How will they be able to think about that? So first we had to change the whole education system. Whole like there should be 2-3 teachers in one class, otherwise or only 20 students should be
Okay.
per teacher. Then we can do that. It will take time. Once you do that today, if you are able to do that, I will be in favor of homework.
Well, okay. So thanks a lot for sharing your
Thank
views,
you.
Shiva.
Thank you.
Finally, you agreed. Actually, you are saying we need to change the education system.
Exactly.
But we don't need to ban the homework. We need to change the type of homework, right?
As per now, we should ban the homework.
Well, okay. Thanks a lot for sharing
Thank
your views. And yeah, okay. Please have your seat. Oh, well, here. Oh my goodness, you have seen the views of especially Shiva. He has spoken so many things, but he agreed clearly, right? Yeah, in debate, you cannot agree in that way exactly. Okay, make sure that don't make this mistake, right?